What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to restore headlights the professional way with some clear coat. As you can tell, these things are in terrible condition. First thing we're going to do is we're going to mask all the way around. That way we don't have to take the bumper or anything off. That way we can just wet sand them, clear coat them, and that'll be it. Alright guys, once you guys got everything all masked around, that way you don't scratch anything, we're gonna be hitting it with 600 grit. Make sure it's wet, and then after that we're gonna hit it with 1200 grit. After that we're gonna hit it with some 1500 grit, and then some 3000. You want to make sure all of this is wet though. So I like putting it in a bucket. We're going to be using a DA to make the process go a lot quicker and smoother. Alright guys, this is how it looks after 600 grit. Nice and hazy. We're going to hit it with 1200 grit now, and then 3000, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after that. If you guys don't have a DA, what you guys can do is get a little block, 1200 grit, dip it in some water, and just do it by hand. Do it all by hand. Alright, this is the end result of how they should look. Should look nice and sleek. As you can tell, they're not yellow anymore. So what we're gonna do next, I'm gonna rip all this tape off. We got the whole car nice and masked now. We made sure we got the whole car. The reason we're doing the whole car, I don't want any overspray hitting the car. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe these down with some SX cleaner, just to make sure we got all the grease and oil off the headlights. We don't want to get any fish eyes, we don't want to get any of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean these real well. I'm gonna mix up some clear coat. Got my clear coat all made. Clear coat gun. We're about to spray this. Just got done spraying both my coats. It looks fucking amazing. They look brand new. They look brand new, brand new. I'm gonna let final product. Looks clean. What you think, Bilo?